Alright, so I guess my GoPro doesn't work, so I can't even record myself. But we are in a tough pickle because we were up $200, 240 on the day on the combine, and then we were gonna lock it. We chilled for like an hour and 30 minutes. Didn't even think about trading or nothing. And then I decided to take a trade. And now my account is down like $400. What a dumbass. But we entered a Hail Mary, 20 contracts, I think, or 40, I forgot what, of MES. And I'm shitting bricks right now. I initially put all the contracts to the direction that I was chasing for, which is the long side. I thought it was a dip because we just been uptrending. I don't even want to look at that account. So there's gonna be 3 scenarios that's gonna happen right now. 3 scenarios, only 3 scenarios. Shout out SpongeBob. 3 scenarios. 1, the account is blown. It literally went below 2,000, and the account is blown. Bam, that's it. So I gotta already put that in my mind so I won't get surprised. It's already blown. Or 2, it's down probably like 500 or 1,000 in the trade. And if that's the case, then I'm gonna just cut the trade, find a new direction, or I'm gonna just leave it till 3 p.m. market close. So that's second scenario. Third scenario, we hit it big. We made our profit and a little bit more. But yeah, we're baked right now, so we're gonna pull it up and see what we see. Let's see. All right, so I got a glass of milk. It's definitely gonna be blown, but all right, so fingerprint doesn't work, so even more intense. All right. Let's see. Luna, pray for me. Fuck, we're cooked. Oh, fuck, even more intense. Holy shit. I'm like, if you're trading like this, bro, don't even trade. You're a gambler. And this is literally what I'm doing, gambling, but we're a fucking degenerate fuck. Oh, fuck. I'm scared. I'm literally shaking right now. And this is just like 49 bucks in the funded. Holy fucking shit. Here we go. Bam, baby, we are up 1,300. This is what the fuck I'm talking about. I was literally chasing this fucking dip. I was trying to chase it. Ah, god damn it, I'm such an idiot. So we're gonna scale. We're gonna sell. Why can I sell?
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna take trim. I got 10 contracts now. Initially, I want to target all-time highs right here. So we're gonna trim, sell, 5 more contracts.
Order filled.
No! Why the fuck did it sell all my contracts? No fucking way. You guys seen that? I was just trying to sell one so I could leave one oh my god. What? Bro, what a fucking... Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. I was literally trying to sell my last... I had 10 contracts. I was just trying to sell 5. So I could just leave myself 5 more contracts. Leave it for all-time highs. Holy shit. What just happened? Topstep just scammed me. I literally just got scammed and I caught that on footage. Holy crap. Bro. I gotta gamble the whole account now. I gotta gamble the whole account now, man. Oh my god, this is literally what I was forced to do. Holy shit. How's it going? Wisdom Trades, it's your boy. We back at it with another one. As you can see, we're inside of a banger trade. It looks like we are about to reach all-time highs. So as you can see, today market opened at 8:30 New York session in this white line that I got marked right here. This is a practice account. I wish this was my normal account, but honestly, it's the emotions that basically mess me up the most when I'm trading a live account. Like right now, my emotions would have been like, bro, just cut it. Like cut the trade. Like just take profit. Make it real. So we're gonna trim this position.
Order filled.
And then
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
and we're just gonna leave 2 contracts. So we're a Dow. We got Dow up today on the practice account. It's not like I got this entry by being a sniper. Like I think I took a lot of trades on this practice account today. Oh, I guess I didn't. I only took 10 trades with this practice account, I guess. But I was definitely just gambling with this account. So that trade I was holding there for 240 minutes. And with this account, I got 8 winning trades and 2 losing trades. And as I'm telling you, I was just gambling with this account. I really didn't care about it. And right there, we are about to make all-time highs. We are about to break all-time highs. So where did I enter? Let's see. So yeah, and I was just trying to go long the whole day because I kind of knew that we were gonna since we already made all-time highs overall in the longer time frames. I was just like, bro, we're just gonna keep on pumping. But I entered entry time 9:38. So 9:38, where was it? And basically this is kind of how I journal my trades. Mark up because we went long. 9:38 in this candle. We entered exactly at 5,498. 5,498. 8:38. So we entered exactly right here. And then we covered most of our position at 5. Let me see. Exit time 1:39. So literally right now, a couple minutes ago, 1:39 at 5,546. 546. 39. Yeah. So we sold most of our position right there. So this was the morning trade. And why did I lose? Where did I lose? Let me see. I'm gonna make it that big. We initially lost at 8:43. Why does my screen keep doing that? 8:43. So we were trying to go long right here. I'll kind of market open. 8:43. This is where I got stopped out initially. 8:43. At 5:10. So okay, market opens right here in this line. Let me see how can I do this better. Okay, so market opens, we dipped to the psychological level, which is 5,500. 5,500 was a level that was trading the whole morning. We've been trading this level since yesterday market close. The whole yesterday night's Asia, Europe session, whatever you want to call it. 500 was a level to basically buy or sell in, because a big move was gonna happen from this level, and I've been knowing that. That was my buy since the morning. 500. Let's just put it at 5,500. 500. So 500 is our level, right? How could I make this brighter? I guess I can't. But that's literally where I bought. So yeah, I got stopped out right here. So market opens, we come down, price comes down. Let me see, 30 second. 30 second for you chumps. All right, so where's 500? 5,500 is right here, okay? So price, market opens, price literally dips, it comes down, it retests 500. I should have bought right there. There was my entry. My entry should have been right there, honestly. But then I got I don't know why did I not buy 500. 500, we pumped 25 points from 500, and then we basically came back down. I thought this was a dip buy. That's why I bought it first. Dip buy. Let me see. I'm gonna literally 38, because I bought 38 as well. At 38, at 522. So I initially chased right here. This was my first entry. 538. Like 522. So I initially chased, and then I got stopped out fairly quick. Oh no, I added. Did I add? Because I exit at 543. Okay, and then I exit right here. My first position. I exit around 509. So right there, that was my first trade. I obviously chased. My entry should have been right here. I chased, entered for a long, then boom, stopped out, obviously. Okay, first trade on the practice account. Then I went again, 90 EMA bounce. I thought I entered, and then I got stopped out again. Exit price 500, 548. 548. Let me see, 848. I stopped out at 500 exactly. So boom, I went for that dip buy. It didn't work out. I got stopped out. Boom, I'm down 900 bucks right there and then. Then what happened? And then I took that big, long, juicy trade I just showed you guys. Same thing. Bias of the day was gonna be long. We're trading around this 500 level, literally the whole day. And then okay, we dipped below it, but we're lower wicking. Literally, this candle told me that we're going long on the day. They literally flirted with me. It told me, hey, Wisdom, go long, baby. I'm gonna take you to new heights. So I'm like, I bet, say less. But boom. The only reason I went high as well is because the candles, they show themselves to you guys. They literally tell you what they're gonna do. Like, look at this. Lower wick, boom, means longs are in control. Like, obviously, if we're dipping below, like right here, this is bullish, because it means price came down. My white ones are green, and the blue ones are red, just an FYI. But it means price just came back down. The buyers didn't let it go more down. So we dip, we passed above 500 level, and then we came back down. We went up 25 points, then we came back down. We retested that 500 level again. We broke down below it. Okay, what's happening with these candles? They're lower wicking, so they're going up. So, like, how could I show you guys? Like, if candles are doing this, if candles are literally doing this, Why can I not draw? Okay, if this looks dumb. Yeah, this looks so dumb. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I gotta hold the brush. Okay. Okay. So if candles are doing this, if the candle is doing this multiple times, that means that the buyers are holding price up. Because let's say it basically means that price goes down. It goes down. Oh my god, this sucks. Sorry guys. I'm an artist, but usually right now it's not working. It means that price is going down. It's going down. But then there's a buyer in this level that just picks it up. Picks it up. It goes down. It'll go down again, but it'll never break below that low that it just made. Like price will just do this. It'll never go below that low because obviously there's a big buyer right there. But obviously when price is doing this, it's making this candle, a lower wicking candle, and that is very, very bullish. So all right. Like, I suck at drawing, but bro, stop. All right. So okay, so it's doing this. It literally did it 3 times with these candles. Lower wick, lower wick, lower wick. It means there's somebody supporting the price. It's not gonna dip below that. So I will literally buy one of these lower wicks. So next time you close a buy is in the breakout. So the breakout it looked like it was about to happen. 500 breakout, boom, I buy. I like buying in the breakout. I usually do not wait for the retest. There's a lot of people who like waiting for the retest, but my thinking is if price is really strong, it's just gonna break above. It's just gonna break out and never look back. But if price breaks out, and then if price breaks out and then retest, that means it's weak. That means the buyers are weak and sellers are literally pushing price down. So why will you buy a weak breakout? It doesn't make sense. I want to buy on the breakout. I literally want to buy as soon as it's like 500's right here, price is coming here. Boom, I want to buy literally right there at the breakout. And I don't want price to ever look back. Oh, fuck. I think I just turned off my Wi-Fi. Oh, fuck. I messed up. Oh, I'm cursing too much. Okay, so I think I just turned off my Wi-Fi. Hopefully nothing deletes. My camera looks like it's not charging. Are you charging, bro? Let me see. Not charging for some reason. Alright, we're gonna have to do it a little bit. Hey Siri. What time is it?
It's 1:52 p.m.
Okay, I don't know why my camera's not charging, but if it dies, it dies. All right, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, so 500. I want a strong breakout. I'm gonna buy the breakout. So I literally bought the breakout and I literally turned this off. I turned off the practice account. I was focusing on my main account for the rest of the day. And I literally forgot until right now that I was like, oh, I think I took a trade. But that's how it's supposed to be with trading, bro. You're supposed to set it and forget it. Because I knew it was going to go long. And then look what price did. It literally, boom, it broke past. I don't even know what level is this. Let me see. I'm going to go on the daily chart. Okay, let's see. All right, so we basically been trading around this 30-minute fair value gap. So this day was when Trump basically said the 90-day tariff pause, and we never looked back. Price never made a newer low than that. So honestly, that was a bottom. That whole week was a bottom. This was a Monday, this was a Tuesday, and this was a Wednesday when Trump just sent the markets flying. The QQQ did 10% in 1 hour. QQQ usually does 10% in a whole year. It did in 1 hour that day. So boom, we had that big pump. In the 30-minute, it made a fair value gap, which we honestly been trading for this week and the past week. It made this 30-minute fair value gap. We did below it the next day. We pumped above it. Where's that level? So 500 level. Where's the 500 level? Also, the 500 level was right here, up here. So that day that we pumped as well, it was resistance. So we rejected from it. We bounced from this 30-minute fair value gap. So right here, it was just obviously accumulation. Smart money is just accumulating. They're basically building their positions right here in this gap between this resistance and this support, which is a fair value gap. I think last week was when that Nvidia chip scare happened. We literally filled most of the gap, so that was a good sign to go bullish. So right here, you could have been long and just set it and forget it for a couple days. And then today, let me delete these drives I made. And then today was just a continuation to yesterday. Yeah. So we filled that fair value gap. When was the 21? The days and the times are really, really important as well. It was a 21. So it was this Monday. So Monday morning market opened. We just ripped the face apart. And then the session on Monday at 5 p.m. we just started gapping up. That's when it started. Started gapping up. Tuesday open, we had a bullish day. We continue it to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. market open all the way to 8:30, which was on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday was a choppy day. And then Thursday, yesterday was a very big bullish day. We did about 100 points from 5,400. We went all the way to 5,500, which was 100 points. 100 points and some change. Yeah, it was 100 points and like to 525. I forgot. But let's go on the lower time frame. All right, so yesterday's market close, we topped out at gotta go on the lower time frame. Oh my god, why the does it keep doing that? Okay, so yeah, yesterday's market session, we topped out at, I don't even know why I have these lines. We topped out like at 5,540. 5,540. And then 5 p.m. session open, new session open yesterday. 5,540 was just acting as resistance. We obviously flirted with it. We broke above it, meaning that it just made a higher high. So if it keeps on making higher highs and higher lows, what is it hinting to you? That obviously we're going to continue making higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, price retraced around 3:30 and 4 a.m. Price retraced, came back down to 500 level, and then we just been consolidating around that level to market open. We just been chopping everybody out right here, stopping everybody out. 500 level, and then market opens, and we got that good power to just make a higher high. And then right here at market open, I did get chopped out a lot. This was where my live account suffered a lot, and this was where my practice account suffered a lot. I suffered a lot right here. I do not trade good in choppiness, and I could assume everybody doesn't do as well. Like, I will be right here trading long, thinking it's gonna go long, and boom. Me thinking it's gonna go short, going short, and boom, getting stopped out. Same thing, choppiness. And then I just entered that long position, that 20 contracts with this practice account really nicely right here. And that was the end of the choppiness. And we just been making higher highs since then. So we topped out right now, I want to say 55.50, which is in the middle. 55, yeah, basically 55.50. That's where we're topping out right now, psychological level. And until we make a new high, then I think that's it. So I just have 2 contracts. There's just like 1 hour more left for the market to close, and I think I'm gonna just cut them off.
Order filled.
I should have put a stop loss, but I mean, and just raised it up a little bit. Maybe left 1 contract. That would have been the smarter decision, but it is what it is. But yeah, that was about how many points, from 5,500 all the way to 50. That was about 50 points, which was a really good trade. Yeah, I'm slowly starting to get better with futures trading, because before I even started trading, I did not know about points. I did not know about nothing. I did not know about ES. I did not know about NQ, but slowly I'm starting to learn more and more. And I just been trading futures for about like 1 month, honestly. So yeah, that's a practice account. Now, how did we end the day? 80% win rate. Profit factor is pretty kick-ass. Risk to reward ratio, it's average win trade to average losing trade, it's negative, because we only had 1 losing trade. Like, let me say, I'm gonna fix my profit to loss ratio right here. I'm gonna have 1 small like trade that I lost of like $1 or something. Like, look, I'm gonna fix my win rate right now. My risk to reward. If I could even have a losing trade right now. Obviously, come on. It's so hard to have a losing trade. Like, when you're trying to have a losing trade, it's hard. Okay, there you go.
Order filled.
So losing trade, and look at my risk to reward. So my win percentage went to 75%. Average winning trade, it did not get fixed. I mean, a little bit. Should I have another losing trade?
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if it fixed it a little bit. Okay, 231. So probably if I have 2 more, then
order filled. Order filled.
Gonna fix it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm literally just
order filled.
Messing up my win rate. So there you go. Fix my average winning trade, but at what cost, you know? At a win rate cost. Okay, so going to the live account. So my live account, my win rate is so horrible. So horrible. But as you can see, overall, we are up $1,000, 1,098. Win percentage is so horrible. It's about 30%. That's something I'm gonna work on next week. They win percentage 46. It's a 50-50 that I'm gonna win on the day, honestly, which is, it sucks. I'm gonna fix that as well. Profit factor, by the love of God, like by a little push, it's profitable, but by 24 points. So overall, I lost 4,596, but I won 5,695. But just a little bit, I'm like over the edge profitable. It's horrible stats, honestly, if you ask me. Okay, what else doesn't matter? Okay, overall number of trades, 145 trades. Number of lots traded, 305. So on average, I'm taking about 2 or 3 lots per trade. Average trade duration 3 minutes. Average win duration 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Average loss duration 2 minutes and 21. So I'm basically doing a good job at holding on to my winners a little bit longer and cutting my losers as quick as possible. But I feel like I could still do a better job at cutting my losers quicker. Average winning trade 132, average losing trade 45. So these are good stats for a risk reward. It just means that I'm keeping my average losing trades smaller and my average winning trades higher, and this is really good. So my best trade is 1,072 with one contract, and that trade was a banger trade. I'm proud of that trade. It was one contract and I made 1,000 on it. Like, bro, that was about like 50 points that I got, or 25. I forgot. I think it was 50 points. Worst trade is more because it's 5 longs, 5 MES, but overall each trade was 303. But overall, I'm winning more than I'm losing, so that's like, you could have the worst win rate ever, but as long as you are winning more than you're losing, you're profitable. Like, win rate, actually, it does not matter. You could have a 90 or 100% win rate. No, you could have a 95% or 90 or 80% win rate, and you could still be an unprofitable trader, because that means that you could win for a lot. You could win a lot every single day. You could win straight for a whole month. But if you have one bad day the next month and you wipe out all your gains, then you're unprofitable. And that's what usually happens. So don't worry more about your win rate. Worry about your risk to reward. Risk to reward. Worry about making more than what you're risking. So yeah, what else? So yeah, this is my week so far. Today, obviously, we did more trades than ever. But overall in the week, we have 145 trades, which is a lot. It's a lot. I'm gonna try and minimize my trades. But on Monday, we started off on a good note, 223. How's our equity curve? It was pretty healthy. We started out the day slight drawdown, $21, and then we did a massive trade, 121. We went on a slight drawdown. We literally gave it all back. We literally gave everything back. We were $8 profitable on the day, and then we just had a Hail Mary, I guess, for 223. And then the next day, it was just some profitability, getting chopped out, and then I got stopped out with my account. I think I got locked out these 2 days. And then the next day I got locked out as well. I started the day profitable. I was up like 151 on the day, and then I gave it all back, which was really dumb. It hurted me mentally a lot. Yesterday, Hail Mary as well, because as you can see, we were up 109. We were down 170. Then we made it back. We were up 190. Then we blew it all out. We went to the depths of 571 negative. And then we had a Hail Mary, made 500 profit. Tried trading again. Went into the depths again, 167. And then had a Hail Mary. Then we finished the day 600 and 519. 487, matter of fact, from the highs of 624. And then today, we were just in the depths the whole day. Okay, and today we were just in the depths the whole day. So we were down 1,300. Like not my most profitable, not my most profitable day or more proudest day. But we were down 1,300, and then we just got out of the debts. We actually did it 2 times, which was scary. I'm saying like it's scary, like if it's that was corny. So we were down 1,300 a day. We did a Hail Mary. Then we were up 1,608 on the day, and we were happy. And then we started trading out of nowhere, and then we got ourselves up to 225, and then I just started trading again. Got myself in the depths again. Was down 478, and that's when I just took that last Hail Mary to the long side and made 953 profit, and I haven't touched my account since then. So yeah, honestly, that's a really bad habit to have because it's not sustainable. Like it might work today, but overall in a long period, in a long time frame, it's bound that you're just gonna blow everything up. um but yeah, what else could I show you guys? My trade seller. So I've been logging everything down on trade seller. It's really good. It's really OP. I like it. I guess I could just show you guys my best winning trades that I got locked down. Show you when I got those. Oh, I got 21 points off one contract. I got 20 points off one contract, but it was an ES contract, and each point was $50. So yeah, this was a ES contract, and it was on a 30-second time frame. So same thing I did, same thing as a Hail Mary I made today. But price was just going all the way up. Everyone's deciding to call me right now. So price was uptrending the whole day, and then we just had a big sell-off. I was waiting for the price to come back to the okay. Okay, so price was, it literally had a sell off. I basically was going for that dip buy, and then I entered one contract when it got on the EMA, blue EMA, and then it was like on the 1 minute. How was it 1 minute? Let me see. Okay, so on the 1 minute, it was basically just hovering. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is so slow today. So on the 1 minute, it was just hovering, so I got it good. I this trade was kind of so because a better entry would have been on this one, on this one, or on this one, because I would have made way more points on if I would have entered right there. I would have made already off the bat 30 points overall. Could have made 45 points. But I'm gonna take whatever I got. So I was actually trading it on the 30-second time frame, not the 1 second. So yeah, price literally just simple as that. Why is my pictures not sending? Literally almost counted me. It's crazy. All right, so on the 32nd, price literally came down. It had a sell off. I got the dip buy. I entered perfectly, and I literally went on a walk. I literally forgot about it. Sí, bueno. Sí, ahí le mandé las fotos de las bolsas. Sí, eran esas. Ok, sale. All right. All right, so. And then what made me. All right, and then why did I sold right there? I think I just seen I was up 1,000 and I cut my trade. But obviously I cut like in the more perfect place ever. I couldn't have cut perfectly. And then I could have went for that double dip. But yeah, that was my ES trade, and today's trade that I basically I went with 30 lots. That's crazy. Hope you're doing well. Do you know any person that can? I'm gonna FaceTime my cousin. Alright, 30 lots, that's crazy. I got 6 points? No way. Yo, let me see.
What's up?
You said it's missing a piece?
Yeah, because I feel like this is supposed to like stay attached to here, para que no se vaya to like
Go inside?
just and it looks like it got broken and stuff. And
Because it's supposed to be a bed made into a bed,
Yeah.
and it's not attached, right?
No,
Let
it
me
looks
s-
like it got broken. The thing, the thing that's
And how is it supposed to be? How is it supposed to
see.
stay?
It just like goes over and then it'll just like stick to something here.
Oh, so you're trying to
Like
get
no
it.
se salga.
Okay. A ver, zoom out a little bit. Let me see the whole thing.
How do you zoom up, bro?
Well, yeah, just like that. Okay, a ver. Hold up. I'm gonna screenshot.
And they had told me that they needed tools, but tools for what? There's like no extra pieces or nothing.
Okay, let me see if it's that one, and let me tell him that's broken. Let me see what he says. All right. All right, so 30 contracts. Oh my god, like 6 points. Wait, was it? I don't think it was 6 points. Yeah, it was not this one. I don't know what. I don't even know. 0425 today. Oh my god, this is a horrible trade. I was probably just chasing, trying to buy higher and sell higher with over leverage. I guess I exited at the perfect timing. Congrats. It was this one. Yeah, it was this one. So I basically did the same thing as yesterday's trade. Like if I just stick to 90 EMA bounces, like bro, I'll be profitable. But I'm so stupid. So I do better when price is trending. So let's see. Let's see. All right, so we had market open right here. We had our support level right here at 500. We bounced from it, obviously. We were uptrending nicely. I was watching price like from right here. I was watching price right here, and I was like, okay, I need a big sell-off. I need price to sell off, and I needed to go on the 1 minute time frame. I needed to either retest the 90 EMA, which is this blue line. I needed to do this one, but I was not thinking that price was gonna come all the way to the moving average. I underestimated that. But obviously, I tried and buy it. This was when I was $200 up. I bought it. I made $40 with this pump, and then I tried to do it again once it came back, and then I just got my face ripped apart. And then I just chased it, and then that's how I went into the hole. And then I was like, okay, moving average. Let me try and go long again, but this time I'm gonna go with 30. Obviously, I had 20 contracts. 20 contracts. Hail Mary right here, and then I set it and forget it. And then I came back, seen that was up right here, boom, sold it right away. And then as you guys seen, I was trying to sell at least 5. I was trying to leave myself 5 contracts so I could sell it to the all-time highs or right here. But Top Step scammed me. But it is what it is. It was a good trade though, but it would have been a better trade if I was patient the whole day. If I waited the whole day for a trend to take a direction, and then just waited for the big sell-off. That should have been my first ever trade of the day. That one. But it is what it is. I guess I'm learning, right? I just gotta do that. Remind myself next week. Just wait till trend takes its direction. Wait for a pullback. Enter on the dip buy. And then, yeah. But yeah, that's about it. That's literally all I gotta show you guys for my trading. I literally did not trade my Robinhood Live account. I literally just traded futures. As you can see, I only have one account because I blew up my other account. So far, we are up only one account active, which is the one I have right now. We blew up another account that we had. We blew it up on the 24th. We blew it up on 24th, which is yesterday. So far, overall, topstep has taken away from me $588. This year alone, it has taken away from me $441, including the account I have today. So if I do not get a payout with this account, if I don't pass this challenge with this account, then honestly that's it. That's my last account. I literally forfeit trading. I literally give up. But maybe we'll end up buying another little funded, or if we make a little extra money. But if I do blow this account up, I'm gonna definitely go into the simulation. I'm gonna go into the practice account, and I'm not gonna reset. Or I might just let it reset till next month. Another 30 days. Take a little 30 day break and just practice on the practice account. I feel like that sounds better. But yeah, that's about it. We only got one combine. I literally gotta pass it with this one. And the only reason why it's taking so long is because literally I got that emotional scar on me. Literally ever since I blew up that first account the beginning of the year, last month, I just lost the mindset I had, because I was literally like $300 from passing it. But one single mistake of me being in bed and deciding to take trades at like 1 a.m. in the night, I decided to blow it up, which was really dumb. But yeah, that's about it. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go eat
Peace. Till next video. Watch. Cash out next time. Wisdom trades. Outie, baby.